back to my channel. It's me, FILIPINA Dutch Vlog. So today's video is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba magbilang in Dutch. So ayun guys, bago yan, eto muna yung para sa inyo. Please watch! Bibilang tayo in Dutch. So, tuturuan ko kayo hanggang 1 to 10. So, ayun guys. First is 1, 1. Number 2, 2, 2, or 2 sa English. And number 3, 3 is 3 in Dutch. 3, 3. And number 4 is 4, 4. And number 5, 5, 5, 5. Number 6, ses, ses. And number 7, 7, 7, 7. Number 8 is act, act, act. And number 9 is negen, negen, negen. And number 10 is tin. Tin. Parang matigas. Tin. So, uulitin natin guys. Number 1 is ein. Number 2 is twee. Number 3 is drie. And number 4 is vier. And number 5 is 5. And number 6 is ses. And number 7 is seven. And number 9 is act. Or negen. And number 10 is tin. So ayun lang guys, yung paano sila magbilang 1 to 10. Sa susunod na video ko is magbibilang tayo 11 till 20. So ayun guys, abangan nyo ang aking next video for counting 11 till 20. So isusulat ko dyan sa baba kung anong spelling, kung paano isulat yung number nila. So ayun na guys, sana may natutunan kayo kahit papano sa aking pagbibilang in Dutch. So if you are not subscribed on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and pahit na rin po ang notification bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!